Okay, I want to show you this cable concealer, which comes in white, and it is paintable if you want to paint it. It comes with the extension pieces to connect these pieces together. It comes with oval pieces, you know, these ones for different corners, these ones if it's flat, double-sided tape, a good amount, and screws. If you do not want to use a double-sided tape, you can screw these. So these things come in two pieces. You could either slide it out or just snap it back in place, pop it back off, pop it back in. And this is the area that I'm gonna fix. So this is how it looks before, and we'll see how it looks after. Okay, so before you put the adhesive on there, make sure you go ahead and wipe it down. You can use a damp wet rag with alcohol, or in this case I'm using Clorox wipes to clean the area. Just make sure you dry it after, so I'm using another towel, a dry towel to dry it off. Okay, so let's put the adhesive on the back here. Run it across. Okay, so I'm gonna put the plastic where all these cords meet. So right here, let's run it down. Slide this piece off. Make sure it's on there good. Okay, so these cables, let's all tuck them in. Let's tuck them all in here. Run it down. And this, we could just clip it on here. So let's clip it, tuck these wires in. So there we go. Just gotta add one more piece down here, but look, the big difference. Okay, so I just need this half over here. So let's go ahead and cut it right here. There we go. Take off this cover. So there we go. And that whole piece, let's run the cables, cover it up, and show you the finished product. Alright, you can see the difference, big difference. So all the wires are hidden. And you can't really see where I use a different piece, but if it bothers you, you have this piece. So let's just go ahead and cover it. Actually, you can see that more, but it's okay. So look, a big difference, really easy to use. Looks really nice at the end.